Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to hide your TikTok following list in just a few easy steps. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to hide your liked videos and make your account private. All in one go, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the bottom right corner. Now tap the three lines at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Privacy. Now scroll down and find Following List. So tap on it. By default, it's set to everyone. Change it to Only Me. This will hide your following list from others. Bonus tip. To hide your liked videos, go back and tap Liked Videos under Privacy Settings. Select Only Me. Done. Want full privacy? Scroll back up and turn on Private Account. Only approved followers will see your content. And that's it. Your following list, liked videos, and profile are now completely private. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more TikTok privacy tips.